Hi. So yeah, let's dive into it. You all good?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Hey guys, I'm Marie and
I'm Melissa Gilbert. I am an artist and a storyteller. Some of the mediums I work in is painting, drawing, installation, live activation, moving image, and the list goes on. I'm from Tonga, Samoa, Fiji, and then on my dad's side, I'm English, Irish, Scottish, and German.
And what inspires you right now?
Honestly, the people around me. I moved to Auckland in 2018 to study, and long story short, I had moved here from Gold Coast because I was living there for a couple of years, and I was trying to make it as an artist without going to school, and it was really hard because over there's a lot of commercial work, which is nothing wrong with it, but that's not really my vibe as an artist. And I moved here, and then within the first week of living here, I went to my first fast wave ball, and so at the gallery, and I was like, who are these creatures? What's going on? I want to be a part of this. So fast wag, Pacific Sisters. I'm lucky enough to be surrounded by a lot of artists who are just being themselves and telling their own stories.
So when your fellowship residency does launch online, what do you want people to take away from it?
I think making art to the level that you want isn't as hard as you think. I think if you want to do something, just do it. And if you fail, then that's all good. You know what to do next time. With my content, I shot it in quite early in the fellowship, week-long fellowship, and then all of my content deleted because of my hard drive.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was a bit I was like, my worst nightmare happened, and then me and my friend just pulled together. We got it shot in 2 days, and although it was a very chaotic time, I think it's just a problem-solving thing, and the fact that I think as Polynesians, we're very resourceful, and if we don't know something, we'll just try it, and if it doesn't work, then that's okay. But we can kind of just scrap together whatever we need and make the best out of it, and usually it's amazing. And yeah.
So is there anything else that you would like to share about your residency?
Thanks to Tautai, I'm not even out of art school, and this is the second time you work with me, and I'm little old me, oh my god, I've got a residency, guys, and then everyone's like, oh my god, I'm like, yeah, I'm so lucky, and the whole staff are so nice and so welcoming, and I have real conversations with them, and they feed me real good.